All right, so that's some little Ariaria. That's how to play like song. Now, if you are used to playing in a church where they play Ariaria and all this Highlife, here is like a simple tip that you can use to play your praise lines on guitar, your African praise lines on guitar. So let's dive right into the video. If you enjoy my content, make sure you subscribe if you haven't. And so let's get started. So this is what I'm playing. This is my do, right? So yeah, so this is what I'm doing. So the first thing I was doing, I was breaking down. So the chord progression, do, fa, do, so. If you have a chord progression that goes do, fa, do, so, do, fa, do, so, or C, F, C, G. So you can do mi, fa, la, do mi, so, ti, do mi, fa, la, do mi, so, ti, do mi, fa, la, fa, do mi, so, ti, so. This is the second one. The first one is do mi, fa, la, do mi, so, ti. First one. Second one, do mi, fa, la, fa, do mi, so, ti, do. Or do mi, do, mi, do mi, fa, la, do mi, so, ti, do mi, fa, la, do mi, so, ti, do mi, fa, la, do mi, so, ti. You get that? Alright, the next thing you can play is this one I play. So, do, mi. So you play it together. This is your fa, la, do, fa, la, do, fa. Can you see it? So, do. So this is do, fa, do. Then you slide this. This is fa. So if you go 2 steps, it gives you a so. So do, there, fa, this, so, do, mi, fa, da, di, da, so, do. Do, fa, do, so, right? So you can just play around. So do mi, la do fa, so do mi, ti re so, so do mi, la do fa, so do mi, ti re so, la do mi, yeah, so that's it. Then the other one was in. So what I was in, so mi, so fa, mi, so re. Do you understand? So mi, so fa, mi, so re. Do mi, do la, do mi, so re. You can use that rhythmic pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. so fa, do mi so re, do mi so fa, taka taka ding, taka ta, 1 2 3 4 mi, ta ta taka ta, ta ga da ga da, ta ga da ga da, ga da ta, ga ta ka ta ta, 1 ta ta ta. So mi do so fa, so mi do so re, so mi do so fa, so mi do so re. And that's how to play simple Ariaria on guitar. So